In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Professor Iqbal Malik here with this smart video of the series on essay writing specifically for the CSS aspirants, but the students of all other grades, they may also benefit from it. Dear friend, this video is in the light of the observations given in examiner's report on essay of the year 2017. I would like you to go yourself on FPSC website and read the observations given on other subjects as well. But here I would restrict myself to the essay. I want to discuss 2 points here, but right before going into the analysis and discussion, I would like to read it out very quickly to you. The standard essay was examined on footing of argumentation, content, language, and intellectual signifier. The quality and level of critical argumentation on the whole was very poor. Most of the candidates were unable to identify the dormant contention in topics. In most papers, contents were inadequate and irrelevant. Most worrying aspects of essays was the wrong use of English language. The sentence structure was glaringly flawed. Moreover, grammatical and spelling mistakes were rife. The intellectual level of essays was mediocre, and candidates were unable to even grasp the topic of the essay. No, that's all. The points are given against which the essays are examined. The points are argumentation, content, language, and intellectual signifier. What is intellectual signifier? It is a way to measure the intellectual depth, the quality of analysis, critical thinking, and originality. All these 4 things come under the cover of intellectual signifier. It means you are not only describing things, but at the same time you are giving a quality analysis. You are actually just giving a deep analysis intellectually, and then you are original at the same time. All these things are your original. It is not only that you are going to describe the analysis given by others. Okay, if you give the analysis of one side and then you give the analysis of another side, then you give your own analysis. The question is very fairly treated if you do like that. And then if you are not original, then it is of no use. Your thoughts, your analysis is original. And then the other thing which is there in the report, that students were unable to identify the dormant contention. It means there is some dormant contention almost in every topic, and you are to uncover it in order to understand, to comprehend to the core. If a candidate is unable to understand and grasp that contention, all his writing would be superfluous. It means he has not actually captured the spirit of the topic. For example, in 2024, there was a topic, the power of propaganda and the Muslim world. Now, these 2 things are joined in this topic, power of propaganda and the Muslim world. What is the link? It means the influence or the impacts on Muslim words of the power of propaganda, and who is using this power. Now, this link, you will have to unearth the link. I would like to discuss these things bit in detail, that the Western media, the propaganda guns are there. They are shaping the public opinion about Muslim world, and a common man and general public, even living thousands of miles away, they have got a specific opinion about the Muslim world. Why is it so? That is because of the power of propaganda. The influence, the impacts, and all these things which are affiliated with propaganda machinery and the tools of propaganda, and they are being used by Western media, and media is also tool, and it is being used, and Muslim world is being affected. I can quote here the seminal work of Edward Said, Orientalism. Even without having lived with Muslims, a non-Muslim has got a specific opinion. Why? Why is it so? So that is why Orientalism and all those making opinion, they are using the propaganda. In this way, public opinion is shaped about the Muslim world, and uh, this can be the contention, and then you would have to uncover the link that is between the two or more variables of the topic, so that you can well understand what is the spirit of the topic. And moreover, apart from these 2 points, in this report of 2017, much emphasis is laid on the language. And then he has pointed out that there were grammatical mistakes, even spelling mistakes. They are not expected from a candidate of this CSS examination. So that's all from my side. If you have got any question, you can ask me in comment section. Then I would discuss in upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye.